All right, going to walk you through a quick video on filling out the El Nino chart. This one, if you only have 3 group members, then you just fill it up to 2006. If you have 4, then each person gets a different colored block. Some people are more written direction type people, so if you click here, it's going to take you to the written directions on how to create a sea surface temperature chart and also how to create a depth chart. Basically, anything that is circled here tells you what you need to adjust. So it should look like exactly like this in order to generate a chart for your year. So if I'm generating it for 2017, I would just make sure I have all these buttons clicked for sea surface temperature. If I'm doing my depth chart, I should have all these buttons clicked to create my depth chart right here. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create one for latitude, longitude, and I'm trying to create one for the depth selection. So just to walk you through what that looks like here and how you get your image hyperlinked, because I do need your image hyperlinked at some point, you should be able to click on this link here and it will take me to that graph. So I'm going to show you how to get that really quickly. So I'm going to start off here with sea surface temperature. So if you go to the link on the PDF file, you'll see this. You need to make sure you're on lat longitude. You need to click on the year that you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to use 1995 as an example. We're always looking at the month of December. We want sea surface temperature, so just make sure those are done. And then we want to make sure this is on monthly. The default, I believe, is on quarterly or 5 days, something like that. So just switch it over to monthly. Once you're done with that, click display. It's going to think for a little bit. And then it's going to give you this. I do not want this one because this one's kind of fuzzy. You need to click on this, and then it's going to open up a nice, clean image here. So all you do is just take this, copy it. Let's go back to our chart, and then just type in SST 1995, use this little hyperlink button, paste that, click apply, and just to double check, you should click this, and it should take me to the image that you generated, which it did. So I'll show you how to do the one for depth. So depth is roughly the same thing, except this time you're going to be clicking on depth selection. Same deal. You want to make sure it's on mean temperature. See how it's on 5 day? You're going to want to switch that over to monthly. Find the year that you're looking for. Again, I'm looking for 1995, and we're always looking at the month of December. Click display. Give it a short minute to generate your graph. Again, once you see this, I don't want this, make sure you click on it. It's going to give you the cleaner version. You just take this link up here, copy that, and then you take it over to your El Nino chart, use the hyperlink button, drop it in, click apply, double check to make sure it's going to take you to that image. And it'll say everything up here, December 1995, and then it would look like this.